If you want to write sales copy faster and create stronger messaging for ads, landing pages, or social media, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to write sales copy with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps, even if you're starting from scratch. This is a great way to save time, get ideas quickly, and turn a basic offer into copy that actually sells. And before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser or app. Once you're in, you're going to use one simple prompt to get started. Type this: write high-converting sales copy for your product or service with headline, benefits, and call to action. You can replace product or service with whatever you're promoting, like a fitness program, a digital course, a skincare product, a coaching offer, or even a local business service. The reason this prompt works so well is because it gives ChatGPT a clear structure to follow. Instead of asking for generic copy, you're telling it exactly what you want: a headline, the main benefits, and a strong call to action. That means you're much more likely to get copy that's ready to use or easy to refine. After you generate the first result, don't stop there. The real power comes from customizing the output. If the copy feels too plain, tell ChatGPT, make it more persuasive. If you want to connect with the audience on a deeper level, say add emotional triggers. If you need something shorter for an ad or post, ask it to make it short and catchy. These follow-up prompts help you shape the style, tone, and length of the copy until it fits your brand. For example, if you're writing for a landing page, you may want more detail and stronger benefits. If you're writing for a social media ad, you probably want something punchier and more direct. ChatGPT can handle both, as long as you guide it clearly. You can also ask it to write in different tones, like premium, friendly, urgent, confident, or conversational. That makes it easier to match the message to your audience. Once you're happy with the result, copy the sales copy and use it wherever you need it. You can place it in ads, landing pages, email campaigns, product descriptions, sales pages, or social media captions. The key is to treat ChatGPT like your first draft assistant. It gives you a strong starting point, and then you refine it until it sounds exactly the way you want. If you want even better results, try adding extra details to your prompt, like who your target audience is, what problem your product solves, and what makes your offer different. The more context you give, the more tailored the copy will be. And that's really it. With one simple prompt and a few smart refinements, you can use ChatGPT to write sales copy much faster and with a lot less stress. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.